Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable broth for noodles. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need about 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion, roughly chopped. Don't forget fresh herbs like a few sprigs of parsley, a couple of thyme sprigs, and 1 bay leaf for that aromatic touch. You'll also need a large pot, at least 6 quarts, and about 12 cups of cold water to get started. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. There's no need to peel your vegetables. Simply give them a good wash and roughly chop them into 1-inch pieces. This helps release their flavors. Place all your chopped vegetables, along with the herbs, into your large pot. Pour in about 12 cups of cold water. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Before finalizing any purchase, a pre-purchase inspection by a certified Porsche mechanic is crucial. This can uncover potential issues, saving you thousands of dollars later. Carefully review the car's complete service history and any accident reports to understand its past. Use this information, along with current market values, to confidently negotiate the best possible price. Do not rush this vital step. After straining, allow your delicious homemade vegetable broth to cool completely before storing. This is important for food safety. Once cool, transfer it into airtight containers. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or for longer storage, freeze it for up to 3 months. This versatile broth is perfect as a flavorful base for any noodle dish, adding depth and richness to your meals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.